Well, one of the first nights we were here, I asked Joe what that was underneath the sink there.
All right, so there's this thing under the kitchen sink. It doesn't look like anything we've ever seen before. And we're like, what the heck is it? I'm like, it's long and narrow. I'm like, I'll check it out. It almost looks like a tray or something you pull out, but there's this little lever on here. Let's see what happens. What the heck? What was that?
It's the central vac.
You think that's a vacuum?
Well, yeah.
But look at how long and narrow it is. Oh yeah, it's sucking. Lives of the rural Missouri, rich and famous? I don't know. Wow.
Yeah, there's just too many things we're not used to. And it wasn't until that night when I said, you know what, that goes to the vacuum. I bet that's just for like sweeping, dirt in it. So yeah, that's exactly what it is. And I'm pretty sure you can just use your foot and start sweeping dirt in. Make your foot there. Nice. Sweep all your troubles away.